Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2017 Terrain. The GMC Terrain combines the benefits of a crossover with the style and functionality of an SUV. Terrain offers uncompromised capability, a balanced stance, and a commanding view of the road, letting occupants enjoy a confident driving experience. And an EPA estimated 32 highway MPG is not bad either, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, power steering, cruise control, child safety locks, power brakes, trip computer, power windows, compass, clock. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.